Big Cuda right at the ramp. Yeah. There you go. Nice. Nice. Get him, Mike. Come down here, don't let him get under. Nice. You wanna bring him to the beach? Or, huh? Yep. Okay. Beautiful. Good hook set too. He ain't going anywhere. I saw that. Nice.
I could have flipped him, by the way.
Yeah, I know, but all right. Hey, let me see you run. Go down there and go down there and get him.
All right, what am I looking at?
We're looking at a Barracuda.
Wow.
A big one.
Yep.
Very good, Mike. Watch your fingers.
Wow.
Nice.
Big Barracuda.
Right at the ramp.
Right at the ramp.
That is awesome.
Perfectly in the corner of that circle hook.
Yeah. Come on up here. That's awesome. Oh, hook came out. Beautiful. That's awesome. Heck yeah, man. Good fish. Look.
I get your drop off. It's actually all the way.
Oh, probably over there too? Yeah. Hold on, is this thing? Yeah, we're still going. Nice,
Oh, yeah.
Look at those teeth right there. Oh, big Cuda right at the ramp.
How much you think
Gotta
it
love
weighs?
it. That one,
40?
yeah, probably like 30 pounds. That's awesome.
Alright, you guys. You know, over here at Ramp Monsters headquarters, we take these, we kill them, we drop them for the grouper. I'd say give it an hour. We'll wait for that slack tide to change. We'll have a grouper pretty quick.
Is it the bonita tail?
I don't know.
It is.
It's a lot.
Oh, what?
There's a lot in there.
All right, let's see what's in this Cuda's stomach. What do you guys think it's gonna be? I think it's a bonita tail. Because he ate my bait before he ate Mike's bait. Oh yeah, there it is. There's I got my bait back.
There's more there. Bonita.
Bonita.
Alright. Show 'em.
Nice, now we got even more bait. Oh my God. Yeah. He's big. He's a big one, man. I don't know. It's going out now, though. Wow, I don't know how that didn't get him. Sorry, I would landed right in front of the thing. And I just broke my big toe across that cleat. I didn't need it, so it's okay.
No?
No. Yeah, right across right there.
Jesus fuck.
Dude, my toes are fucked always.
I don't know
Like,
how you have to...
it's all callous. Oh, because it's all callous, I guess it's like armor. Like, when I used to stub my toe, like, it used to hurt. Yeah, now it doesn't. That's why I can just look at you and say, I didn't need that toe. Alright, well, I don't know what that was. So, we just put another bait out, and then we figure out what it was. Mike set his bait out. Where'd you go? Out to the left? Alright. Alright, here we go. Let's get him up, man. What do you think? We're gonna get him tonight?
Hopefully, big
Fucking,
grouper.
come on, Mike. Come on, Atlantic Mike. We're gonna get this grouper.
He's giant. He's...
I'm not gonna stop fishing here until we land the Goliath.
Alright.
Bottom line, end of discussion.
Get him tonight.
Tonight. And if we can't get him here, then we'll go up to Stewart tonight.
Get one there.
That's right.
That's almost guaranteed.
Guaranteed. It's guaranteed.
Guaranteed.
It's guaranteed because, well, you see, the thing about me and Mike here, we know what we're doing.
Difference. We go there.
Big difference. We go and dominate. Wherever we show up, there's fish. You see me and Mike standing somewhere, that's because there's fish there. And if there isn't, well, there's about to be. So stay tuned. And well, yeah, we're gonna try here, and if not, we're going to Stewart. I can't wait.